brownie. Nowadays it's very trendy dessert, so I thought to share this recipe with you guys. So let's start making it. First, for brownie batter, we'll be needing 200 grams of dark chocolate chopped, 100 grams of butter, 4 large spoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, that is instant coffee powder, half cup brown sugar, half cup caster sugar, 1/4 cup milk maid. Milk maid can be replaced by eggs or curd, 1 cup of refined flour, milk if required. For cheesecake, we'll be needing 200 grams of cheese cream, 3 tablespoon caster sugar, 1 tablespoon condensed milk, 1 tablespoon corn flour, half tablespoon vanilla essence, emulsion, any other vanilla flavoring, and 2 spoons of water. Firstly, we'll be melting our chocolate and butter together. You can melt it in oven, microwave or on double boiler. I'm melting it in oven. Chocolate which I'm using here is dark chocolate 45% of 2M cocoa. Make sure when you are making brownies or any other item of dark chocolate or any other chocolate you are using for baking, make sure it consists of cocoa solids and cocoa butter. You have to use pure chocolate. Here I am not using dark compound, here I am using dark chocolate. Make sure you use pure chocolate. For brownie batter, first we'll add the mixture of chocolate and butter in a mixing bowl. Then we'll add brown sugar, caster sugar, after that we'll be adding condensed milk. You can also replace it with eggs. Next we'll add cocoa powder, coffee, and give it a quick mix to all. Once everything is nicely mixed, add refined flour. And mix by doing cut and fold. There is some need of milk. I'm just gonna add few spoons of milk to make the batter in proper consistency. Adding some more milk. This is the proper consistency we need. Now let's make our cheesecake batter. Firstly, for the cheesecake, we'll add corn flour in a bowl and add 2 spoons of water. And gently mix it. This is very essential ingredient of our cheesecake. We'll just keep it aside and take a mixing bowl. First we'll add cheese cream. Make sure the cheese cream you are using is of room temperature. It's not out of freezer. By adding sugar in it, we'll just whisk it and make it smooth. We have to just whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. At this point, I'm gonna add condensed milk in it. And just mix them. You can see it has got very smooth now. At last, I'm just adding vanilla flavoring in it. Once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, just add the corn flour water and give it a mix. If you don't want to add vanilla flavoring, you can also give a fruit flavoring to it, blueberry or mixed fruit. You can just add jam of it. Our cheesecake batter is ready. Here I have taken line 10. First we'll add a brownie batter. Level it up. We'll just pour this batter on our brownie batter. Spread it evenly. I have saved some of my brownie batter for this marble effect. I'm just pouring it on cheesecake. With the help of toothpick, just give it a marble effect. Once it's done, bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. I have baked it for 35 minutes. This is from upper layer it's very smooth, but from inside it's very gooey. This is the perfect consistency of it. Now it will be perfectly set once it's kept in a fridge for 1 hour. So we will just keep this in a fridge for 1 hour to set. Once it's out of freezer, now we'll just demold it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you really did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is given in description. Stay tuned for more videos.